Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the clipboard on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's say you're chatting with somebody or writing a message and you copied something and you wanted to get back to the clipboard. You can see if I press and hold on one of these messages, there's that little copy button. I can tap on copy and it says copied to my clipboard. However, if you want to find that clipboard, let's first just tap somewhere that it brings up the keyboard. And if you just immediately copied something, it usually pops up with the clipboard right here with a little clipboard symbol and what you copied. However, if that doesn't show up for you, it might look something like this. What you're going to look for is right above the 7 is that clipboard icon. If you don't see it, you can tap on those 3 dots and find it within here. But once I tap on the clipboard, you can see it says a couple different things that I have copied. If you've never used the clipboard, it might say turn on clipboard or something like that. Now on here, if I wanted to paste something, I can just tap on it and it pastes it just like that. I can also choose to pin something in my clipboard by tapping on the little pin and then tapping on it. And now this will never be removed from my clipboard unless I manually remove it. Now, talking about removing things from the clipboard, all you need to do is tap on the trash can icon. And if you wanted to tap on all, you can delete everything from the clipboard and completely wipe it out by tapping on delete and then include the one pinned item and hit delete. And just like that, you have wiped out the entire clipboard with no history. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.